Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a wonderful vitamin-rich natural remedy for wrinkles, aging skin, and loss of elasticity. If your skin looks tired, dull, or you're noticing fine lines and wrinkles, then this video is just for you. This remedy is made with simple kitchen ingredients, but the benefits are truly amazing. Before we start, friends, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss new, useful videos about beauty, health, and natural skincare. For this recipe, we will need 1 fresh orange. First, we'll wash the orange properly. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to water and wash the orange in this solution. This helps remove chemicals, wax, and dirt from the peel, which is very important because we'll be using the peel. By the way, friends, write in the comments from which country you are watching my videos. I love reading your comments and knowing where my viewers are from. Now, after washing, finely grate the orange peel. Only use the outer orange part, not the white layer underneath. Orange peel is extremely rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. It helps restore skin elasticity, brighten the complexion, boost collagen production, and reduce wrinkles. Next, we need 1 small carrot. Wash it well and grate it finely. Carrots are loaded with vitamin A, which is essential for skin repair. Vitamin A helps smooth wrinkles, regenerate damaged skin cells, and improve overall skin texture. This ingredient is especially helpful for aging, dry, and tired skin. Now take 6 bay leaves, also known as lavrushka leaves. Bay leaves are a powerful natural ingredient. They help slow down aging, promote skin rejuvenation, and saturate the skin with beneficial nutrients. They also improve blood circulation, which gives your skin a healthy glow over time. Now let's move on to the oils. Add 50 milliliters of olive oil. Olive oil deeply nourishes the skin, improves elasticity, and prevents dryness. Then add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil is amazing for hydration, softness, and skin repair. It also helps seal moisture into the skin. Now place all the ingredients into a heat-safe bowl or container. Put this mixture in a water bath and heat it gently for about 15 minutes. Do not boil it. Gentle heat allows all the vitamins and nutrients to infuse into the oil. During this time, your kitchen will smell wonderful and the oil will turn a beautiful golden color. After 15 minutes, remove the oil from heat and let it cool slightly. Then, strain the oil through a sieve or clean cloth to remove all solid particles. What you'll get is a pure, golden vitamin oil. You can store this oil in a clean glass jar and keep it in a cool, dark place. Now let's talk about how to use this oil. Apply a small amount to clean facial skin. Use gentle massage movements, moving upward and outward. Massage for a few minutes until the oil is fully absorbed. No need to rinse. This oil works best when left on the skin, especially at night. With regular use, this golden oil perfectly tones the skin, improves elasticity, smooths wrinkles, and gives a youthful glow. Use it 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Friends, natural remedies take time, but they work deeply and safely. Consistency is the key to beautiful skin. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave a comment and tell me how this remedy worked for you. I wish you health, beauty, and youth. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.